guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Thanksgiving weekend. I hope everyone was able to have a good Thanksgiving day. I had one with my family. We made some meal, hang out and catch up on each other's life. I'm back again with this week's CVS haul and everything worked out fine. We have some good Ibotta rebate and also Fetch reward. Let me show you guys what I picked up, what coupons I used and what CRTs came off. My first transaction will be on Colgate. There are so many Colgate deals going on, so be careful with what you're picking up in case your store is not tagged. This is the spend 20 get $10 back. The first item I'll pick up is the toothbrush, priced at $12.49. And I'll also pick up another Colgate toothpaste, priced at $7.49. We all received a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that will apply to both of them. And there is another $2 digital coupon that will apply to just this toothpaste. I have another 3 off of 18 Colgate CRT that will also apply to this because this is more than $18 because I need to spend 20. That will bring it down to $10.98. I will pay that, then I'll get $10 back. Check your fetch because I have a 1,200 points back if I spend $12 or more on Colgate. So I'll also be receiving that. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. These are the two items I picked up in this transaction, the toothpaste and the toothbrush. Now let me get close so you can see my receipt. All the coupons applied fine. The 4 off of 2 came off, the $2 came off, and also the 3 off of 18. I used the 32% CRT, email CRT. I don't mind using it in this transaction because I don't want to pay so much out of pocket. It took off only 25 cents. Paid 53 cents out of pocket and got my $10 back. I also submitted my receipt to Fetch and I got back 1,339 points. Because Colgate is partnered with them, I got extra points on top of the 1,200 points. This ended up being free and a 61 cents money maker. So make sure you're checking your Fetch. Hopefully you have more than I have or you have the same thing that I do. My next transaction will be on Revlon. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back or you buy 3 you get $8 back. This is a tier deal, so you have to do it in one single transaction. You can't just buy 2 and come back and buy 1. You have to buy at the same time. I'll pick up 3 of the Revlon Kids Balm, priced at $6.49 each. And I'll use the $3 mystery CRT everybody received today. And I also have 2 of the buy 2 get 1 free Revlon CRT that will apply to this. That will leave me to pay $3.49 and I'll get $8 back. These are the 3 items I'll be picking up in this transaction. This is one of the buy 2 get 1 free and I still have one in my app. And I'll use the $3 mystery coupon everybody received today. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. Back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. These are the 3 items I picked up and the buy 2 get 1 free CRT came off. It took off the whole $6.49 because I didn't use any paper coupon for these items, any of the items. The $3 mystery CRT came off as well. I used $3 extra care box, paid 49 cents out of pocket and I got back $8, making this transaction free and a $4.51 money maker. My next transaction will be on the Nivea body lotion. It's on the deal of spend 20 get $10 back. So what I'll be doing is picking up this Nourishing Skin Firming Lotion, priced at $11.99. This is the one that says Q10 plus vitamin C. I'm picking up these items because there is a $3 Ibotta rebate. So I'll be picking up 2 of them. I'll be using a 4 off of 2 lotions coupon from the 11/13 savings set. It expired yesterday. I have a 6 off of 13 purchase CRT I received in my mail that also apply to this. Let me go pick up the other items to get me to 30, then I'll be right back. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the Clean and Clear Cleanser. It's part of the deal of buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you spend 10, you get $3 back. I'll be doing mine a little different because this tracks. I don't want to pay so much out of pocket, so I will do this and I'll roll my extra care box to complete the spend 10. I'll pick up this one priced at $6.99 and everybody received a $2.50 digital coupon that will apply to this. Let me go check out and I'll explain more when I get back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. You can see how everything worked out. The 4 off of 2 coupon came off, and also the Clean and Clear digital coupon also came off. And I have 6 off of 30 purchase CRT. I used $17 extra care box, paid $1.47 out of pocket, and I got my $10 back. And this is what I was talking about, that it tracks. You can see my facial, spend 10 get $3 back. I already spent $6.99. All I need to spend is $3.01 and I'll get $3 back. That will happen in my next transaction. Let me go do it. To complete the spend 10 get $3 back with the Clean and Clear facial cleanser, I'll be picking up this Neutrogena facial bar priced at $3.99. This is not tagged, but it's included in the deal. And also remember, the deal is buy one get one 40% off. Because I'm not doing this deal together, I'm not able to get my 40% off, and I'm also picking a different item. But we have a $3 digital coupon that will apply to this, leaving me to pay just 99 cents for this. I'll be adding this deal to a 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT that I received in my email. My next transaction will be on this hair appliance. It's on buy one, get $10 back, and it's on sale for $15. I don't know what your store have, but I'll be picking up these clippers priced at $15, and I'll get my $10 back. I have a 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT I received in my email that I'll be applying to this. I'm only showing you guys what other items my store have. Some of them are priced full price, and some of them are just on sale, and you get your $10 back. These are everything we have. I hope you can score some at your store in case you need it. Adding to the 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT, the next deal I will be doing will be on the Degree body spray. It's on buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. We also have good Ibotta rebate for this. It will give back $1.75 for each one of them. I will be using a 4 off of 2 paper coupon I got from 1113 savings set. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and everything worked out fine. These are the items I picked up: the clippers, the Neutrogena bar, and 2 of the Degree spray. And these are the coupons and CRTs applied to it. You can see the $4, that's for the Degree, and also the $3 is for the Neutrogena. I used $15.21 extra care box to pay for this. Paid $3.46 out of pocket. I used the gift card, and I got back my $2 for buying 2 of the Degree body spray, and I also got $3 back for completing the deal, and I also received a $10 for the clippers. And now you can see down here it's completed. I reached the limit. That's the $10 that I spent. Thank you all for watching my video, and I hope when you do your own haul that you score some good deal, and I will see you all next week. Bye bye.